Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've done a room tour. I think the last one was in 2017. So I decided it's about time that I record a new one and update you guys on what my current room setup is, because it's changed a lot since my last video. So I should start off with my door. This is my red velvet poster from the fan meet in Chicago. I love this. It's a big statement when someone walks by my door, just to know what you're gonna expect when you come in. This is the back of my door. I just have a mirror and my backpack with my school stuff, my hamper, and then here I have, I think of it as like my video game / like console shelf. Here I have all the stuff needed, like controllers. I have like a pack of 3DS games in here, SD cards, chargers, everything. And then these are the games and my 3DSs, which I don't honestly play that much anymore since I have the Switch. And then down here I have my PS4, my Switch, and my Apple TV. This was a Christmas present. It's a 4K Vizio 50-inch TV. I think I want to say it's a Series M. It came with a mount that was like mounted here. So I went onto Amazon for like 20 bucks. I got this mount and it like swivels the TV. It's super nice. This is my beautiful chair that my wonderful cats ruined. And this is my desk / vanity. I keep most of my daily stuff, like my moisturizers and deodorant stuff, up here. Then my makeup brushes, and then my pens and pencils. In this drawer, it's actually pretty organized if I do say so myself. I have like hair stuff, nail and like self-care, and then makeup, a scrunchie collection, which I have more, but my sister keeps taking them back to college with her. And of course, my red velvet fan. In these drawers down here, the first drawer is makeup palettes. And then this is kind of random stuff. And the bottom one is also random stuff like sunglasses and other things. To my window, I have this cat bed attached to it because I used to have my album shelf with the rainbow colored albums down here, which my cats love to sit on top of, but I put that away. And then I ordered this on Amazon. My cats love to sleep there. My cat's favorite thing is puffballs. She likes to play fetch with them. My fan, because I don't know if anybody else, but I get really hot when I sleep at night. So even if it's like, there's a little snow on the ground right now, but I still turn on my fan at night. And here is my current album shelf. It's hard, because my bed's in the way, it's hard to get a full view of it. I'll do like a top down. Okay, so starting here is my WJSN albums, and then my Lovelies albums, and then Oh My Girl, Wiki Miki, and then I have two shelves for my Red Velvet collection. My Red Velvet collection, I'm happy with it, but there's still things I need. Like I need the third selfie book, I'm behind on Kino albums, I need the regular, the CD version of Sappy, I need the Red Mare tour Kino. I also need this year's Season's Greetings, I don't have that yet. This area changes like every day. I don't really know what to do with it. I know I want to have like my light stick and all Joy's photo books up here, but I don't know, it changes. And then here's this. I have my Alexa here because I used to have my dresser here before and I moved it and I didn't know what to do with this because it's on the room on my nightstand for it. So it stays amongst the Red Velvet albums. Here's my Twice collection. I think I've decided with Twice that I'm not going to collect their Japanese albums because they're just so much more expensive than the regular albums and they release so many of them. I got these, I did a group order on Twitter a long time ago and then I just never kept up with it, so And here's my Loona albums. I do have every single Loona album that they've ever made. I believe these are all first print too. Here's a close look at all of them. Their newest release will be here on February 18th. I've just ordered the limited editions so far. I'm gonna get the normal ones later. On this bottom shelf, I keep things that are kind of too big for my color-coded shelf down here. And then that used to be on my dresser. I didn't really know what to do with it. It has like, honestly, just a bunch of random stuff. Film I need to develop, like pictures from Wonders Never Cease, just Disney stuff. And then these are my photo card binders. Oh, and my subwoofer. Here's my bed with my beautiful kitties that their names are Tubby and Leia, but my family calls them Big Kitty and Little Kitty. Nothing's really changed much if you've seen my collection videos with the pictures I have on the wall. It's changed since my last room tour, but... And this is my nightstand. I got the lamp from IKEA. I've been kind of sick lately, not like super sick, but like congested, so I've been keeping my humidifier running like 24/7. This was a Christmas present from my sister. I love it. It's a little bright at night, but I always wake up and I never know what time it is, so I like that it's big and it's there. This drawer, I just keep medicine and stuff that you would need in your bedside. And then these are, well, goldfish, because I love goldfish, but just like cords and stuff, things that I use all the time that I just want to grab. Here is my pin collection. They're mostly Disney pins, but there's some that's not. Like, my grandma got me this one because it looks like my cat's. That was a Christmas present. And then, like, this one's from Wonders Never Cease, and this one's from my Wonderful Secret Santa this year. Oh, and I got this when we went to see the Grand Canyon last year. I'll come back to the closet, but this is my other shelf. I honestly don't know what to do with this shelf. I don't really like it here anymore, because the whole reason I moved my room around in the first place was because I felt like it was too cluttered in here with all the albums and everything everywhere. And this still feels kind of cluttered to me, but I don't really know. Like, I like it and I don't like it, but these are my Wonders Never Cease, the Season's Greetings. So many good pictures in here. My limited Loona albums. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I still do have all my limited Loona albums above my TV up here. My pride and joy. Okay, I also have my signed CLC album, which is also, this album is so amazing. The fact that I have a signed version of it makes me like tear up every day. And then my recent favorites, Itzy's new album and Cherry Bullet's new album. Here I have, this is from Wonders Never Cease, one of the, I think it was the fan goods, I don't remember exactly. This is also from Wonders Never Cease, and then these are from when I went to see the fan meeting and Red Mare in Chicago. Okay, and here it is. This is my crazy, messy closet. So I decided to put my rainbow albums in my closet, because a lot of times my closet door is open, so I see them anyway. But I just felt like having all these albums in my actual room just felt so cluttered. And if I had a place of my own, I would probably keep all of these albums in like an office. But since I'm still living at home, working away at college, I decided just to put them in my closet for now. So I've also moved my dresser in here. It's very, very crowded in here now. Clothes and bags, and then I have boxes down there and posters, which I don't really know what to do with because I'm never going to hang them up, but I don't want to get rid of them. And over here is another shelf full of extra Red Velvet albums, binders, college books. And then this one I have like, this is all like Nintendo stuff. Like there's like my trading cards and my Animal Crossing Amiibo. This is extra K-pop stuff, so posters, and like this was in the Lovely's Make Star album. I don't really feel like putting them in a binder, so they're just kind of here. And the bottom is just random stuff that I've collected over the years that I don't really know what to do with. And yeah, that's about it. That's about my whole room tour. I'll do one more little like once over of the whole room at the end. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful, great day. Bye.